Looking for the right tires for your Honda Odyssey in 2026? With so many options available, choosing a tire that offers a good balance of comfort, safety, handling, and long-lasting performance can feel overwhelming. In this guide, we'll take a look at 5 of the best tires for the Honda Odyssey, covering different needs and budgets. Whether you mainly drive around town, take long family road trips, or deal with wet and changing weather, these options can help you find the right fit for your minivan. Number 5. The Yokohama Avid Ascend LX in 235/60R18 103H. This is where warranty numbers start getting serious. According to Yokohama's own Amazon listing, the Avid Ascend LX carries an 85,000-mile limited treadwear warranty with 42,500 miles on the rear position for staggered fitments. That's the longest number we've hit so far on this list. It's built with wavy 3D sipes and shoulder notches for winter road grip, wide circumferential grooves paired with an L2 compound for wet traction, and Yokohama specifically lists it as designed for coupes, sedans, crossovers, SUVs, and minivans. The catch is the load rating. This size comes in a standard load, or SL, rating rather than extra load, which means the sidewall is built a bit softer than the XL-rated tires you'll see later in this countdown. For most daily driving, that's a non-issue, but if you're consistently running your Odyssey near its full passenger and cargo capacity, an XL-rated tire is going to handle that load with a bit more margin. Yokohama also builds in a continuous center rib specifically for stable highway tracking and sharper steering response, which matters on a vehicle as long as an Odyssey when you're merging or making quick lane changes with a full load of passengers behind you. For families who use their minivan the way most families actually use one, school runs, road trips, groceries, not maxed out with cargo every single day, the Avid Ascend LX offers exceptional tread life for the price. It's one of the better value plays on this entire list. Number 4. The Continental True Contact Tour in 235/60R18 103H. Continental's True Contact Tour leans on their Eco Plus technology to lower rolling resistance while still delivering strong wet braking, and it's backed by an 80,000-mile limited manufacturer tread life warranty according to Continental's own documentation. One detail that sets it apart is the DWS wear indicator. As the tread wears down, markings on the tire visually tell you whether you're still in acceptable dry, wet, or snow traction range, which is a genuinely useful feature most budget tires skip entirely. Where you need to pay attention is the exact listing you're buying. Continental sells this tread pattern under closely related model names, True Contact and True Contact Tour, and depending on the retailer and load rating, you'll see slightly different UTQG treadwear numbers and speed ratings attached. Make sure the listing you click through to matches the 235/60R18 103H spec, not a same-named cousin in a different rating. Continental also builds in Comfort Ride technology, aimed specifically at cutting down road noise and vibration, and in this size, the tire runs a 29.1-inch overall diameter with an 11/32 tread depth, solid numbers for a touring tire in this class. For drivers who want a well-rounded touring tire with genuine engineering behind the wear indicator feature and a warranty that actually competes with the premium brands, the True Contact Tour earns its spot in the middle of this pack, closer to the top than the bottom. Number 3. The Pirelli Scorpion All-Season Plus 3 in 235/60R18 107 VTH, extra load. This is the first extra load tire on the countdown, which matters more than it sounds. The 107 load index versus the 103 you've seen on most of this list means genuinely higher load capacity per tire, relevant for a minivan that's regularly carrying 7 or 8 people plus cargo. Pirelli's own product page and multiple retailer spec sheets back the Scorpion All-Season Plus 3 with a 70,000-mile limited treadwear warranty, and it uses 3D sipe technology engineered to keep handling confident whether the road is dry or wet. The honest downside is price. Pirelli carries premium Italian brand positioning, and that shows up on the invoice compared to the domestic and Asian import options earlier on this list. You're paying more for the combination of load capacity and the Confidence Plus program, which includes a 30-day trial period on a set of 4. Pirelli's own product listing also notes this tread was engineered specifically to reduce interior road noise through what they call their pitch sequencing and phasing design. So you're not giving up comfort to get the extra load capacity, you're getting both in the same tire. If your Odyssey regularly runs close to its passenger and cargo limits, third row full, roof box loaded for a road trip, the extra load capacity here isn't a marketing footnote, it's a real safety margin. That alone justifies the price bump for a lot of family use cases. Number 2, the Michelin Defender 2 in 235/60R118. Extra load, 107H. Michelin backs the Defender 2 with an 80,000-mile limited treadwear warranty, and according to Michelin's own published testing, it outlasted 3 leading competitive tires by more than 25,000 miles in a treadwear comparison. It's built with Max Touch 2.0 construction, which evenly distributes the forces of acceleration, braking, and cornering to promote even wear, and an EverTread 2.0 compound aimed at long-term durability. Michelin explicitly lists this tire as suited for cars, minivans, and even electric vehicles, so it's not a repurposed sedan tire. It's engineered with vehicles like the Odyssey in mind. The catch is that the Defender 2 is a pure comfort and mileage tire. It doesn't carry a severe snow service rating. If you're in a climate with real winter weather and you're not running dedicated winter tires part of the year, that's a genuine gap to be aware of, not a deal breaker for mild climate driving. Michelin also backs it with their standard 6-year manufacturer's limited warranty against defects, layered on top of the mileage coverage, and Michelin's own materials describe it as the tire aimed at today's larger, more powerful family vehicles, which is a fairly direct way of saying they built this one with vehicles like the Odyssey in mind. For Odyssey owners in regions without serious winter, the Defender 2 delivers about as much quiet, comfortable, long-lasting performance as you'll find in this size. It's the tire to buy if mileage and ride comfort are your top priorities, and snow isn't a major factor in your driving life. Number 1. The Michelin Cross Climate 2 in 235/60R18, extra load, 107H. The Cross Climate 2 earns the top spot because it does something almost nothing else on this list attempts. According to Michelin's own listing, it stops shorter than 4 leading competitive tires in both dry and wet conditions, and lasts up to 15,000 miles longer than those same 4 competitors, while still carrying genuine severe snow capability built into an all-season casing. It uses a V-style directional tread designed for aggressive water and slush displacement, with chamfered blocks that increase road contact under braking. This is a tire engineered to be the only set you need in nearly any weather your commute throws at it. The trade-off against its own stablemate, the Defender 2, is warranty length. The Cross Climate 2 is backed at 60,000 miles according to manufacturer spec sheets, a full 20,000 miles shorter than the Defender 2, and it carries a premium price tag to match its broader weather capability. In this size, the tire runs a 29.1-inch overall diameter, a 9.25-inch section width, and a 10/32 tread depth, putting its physical dimensions right in line with the rest of this list. The difference is entirely in what the tread pattern and compound are engineered to handle. If you want one set of tires that genuinely covers dry pavement, wet highway driving, and real snow without swapping to dedicated winters, the Cross Climate 2 is the strongest all-around pick on this entire list. You're trading some tread life for versatility, and for most Odyssey owners juggling unpredictable weather across the year, that trade is worth making. Choosing the best tires for your Honda Odyssey comes down to your driving style, local weather, budget, and what matters most to your family. The right set can make your Odyssey quieter, smoother, safer, and more comfortable to drive. Before buying, always check your owner's manual or the tire information label for the correct size and specifications. We hope this list makes your 2026 tire search easier and helps you choose with confidence.